Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Honda, hope you're all okay, and today I've got a quick video walk around of this Lunar Silver Civic EX. Now of course, as you do get full LED headlights, LED daytime running lights and LED fog lights. You then also get your forefront parking sensors and these brilliant 17-inch painted alloy wheels. I will go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of the design pattern, as of course these wheels have been freshly refurbished as part of the vehicle's preparation work. We've then got 4 rear parking sensors. You've got a reversing camera just up at the top there as well. Then in the tailgate we've got plenty of room in here, including a protective boot floor. We've then got your pull-out privacy shelf as well. We've got 60/40 split flat folding rear seats that will fold flat with that ledge just there. Then coming out and around, showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, as you can see, we've got full black leather interior with Isofix mounting points at the bottom. You've then also got heated rear seats as well and full electric windows all round. And with this being the EX, you also get the nice glass opening sunroof, full keyless entry and start. And then coming inside the car, as you can see, we've got your electric handbrake with brake hold. We've got your ECON, your damper settings, and then your stop start off. We've got a 6-speed manual gearbox. We've also got a wireless phone charging pad just here. Dual climate control with 2 front heated seats. And then of course we've got your touchscreen display in the middle. This does come with your satellite navigation, your Bluetooth hands-free, and then it does also come with your various audio sources just here. And of course, last but not least, you can control your climate control via this display. To the steering wheel now, we've got your volume, onboard computer controls, and then your voice assistant and Bluetooth hands-free. The arrows here work between the infotainment system and onboard computer. On the right hand side, we've got your cruise control, distance control, and lane keep assist. We've got automatic headlights, automatic windscreen wipers, and as you can see, this car has done 29,811 miles. Jumping back outside the car now and showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Civic EX, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.